This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Sprague. Need a little room to stretch out? This home sits on just under half an acre and is beautifully landscaped with mature trees and in-ground sprinkler system. The additional 2-car workshop is perfect for any hobbyist. Spacious living room and additional living space in the Florida room. Home is backed up by a Generac system. Eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar has plenty of storage and gorgeous solid oak cabinetry. For more information, review the details below or contact Sprague at 580-237-6200.